Alright, I'm going to do a clean out of the Dyson DC-25 after not refurbishment. I'm gonna vacuum with my Hoover WindTunnel self-propelled Ultra bagged upright vacuum cleaner, and I'm gonna suck all the dirt. Here, let me get the top off of this. And let's take it out here. So I already emptied out in the trash can outside. So I'm going to get all inside there. Look at that. It's nasty, man. So I'm going to stick the hose down in there to see what I can get. So let me move this up. And just note, this thing has a working headlight. How's that? All right, that's good. So we're going to today we're going to be using the hose and also the canister because there's stuff in here too. So anyways, we're going to go on and start, see how it does. All right, so just note, I had to wash the filter in this again. I done it recently, but after I went to this to one of our friends' house and cleaned their carpet yesterday, it got so dirty I had to wash it again. And it's a brand new, it's a new filter that I replaced back in June. So let's put this canister back on and canister back on the DC-25, and let's get the hose on this self-propelled. I love this Hoover. It's one of a kind. You can see the bag. I already put a new bag in it, and it just needs some new attachments. Oh, I forgot to take this out and put it back in my wind tunnel. So let's do that. And so get my hearing protection on, and what we're going to do now is we're going to clean the rest of this up and see how it goes. Alright guys, so that does it for this video. Just comment and subscribe for more.